Hey there! Thank you for choosing Black Bandit Diesel for your tuning needs. Let's walk you through how to flash tune your new configuration file from your EFI AutoCal V3 device onto the ECU of your truck. And remember, getting it right the first time will save you a lot of hassle. But, before loading that new off-road tune file onto your truck, ensure you have successfully loaded the new configuration file we have sent you by completing the quick program process outlined in the previous video. A link to it is in the description below. Before we begin the full flash process, we must ensure the following. Step 1. Connect your truck to a quality battery charger to maintain constant voltage. It's recommended to use a battery newer than 6 years for reliability. Step 2. Connect the OBD2 to AutoCal wire to the factory OBD2 port under the dashboard of your truck, then to the AutoCal device. Finally, turn the key on into the run position until the dashboard lights are on, but the engine remains off. Ensure all electrical accessories like air conditioning and radio are off, and keep the door closed throughout the process. The truck must remain in the key on engine off mode. You are now ready to flash the tune file onto the ECU. The AutoCal tuning device will now begin to power on, and you will see the Black Bandit splash screen as the device gets ready to load. Once the device fully powers on, you'll see the EFI Live End User License Agreement. Read it and then press the check mark button to accept. On the home screen, press the left arrow, or button number 2, to select Tune Tool. Press the check mark to launch it. Inside Tune Tool, select F1. Program full by pressing the check mark. Next, select F1, select Tune, and, once again, press the check mark. This will launch the File Explorer tab. In the File Explorer, scroll down to the new configuration file using the down arrow, or button number 4. Once highlighted, press the check mark button to load it. An attention message will appear, reminding you that the tune file is for off-road use only. Read the message fully, then press the check mark to accept and continue. A warning note will then pop up, emphasizing the importance of a stable power supply and other physical implications of the flash process. Read the entire warning, then press the check mark to accept you understand and proceed. The truck will now start the flash tuning process. Be patient as the tuner loads the tune file onto the ECU. A progress bar will display on the device. Do not open any doors or press any buttons during this process. Be patient as this might take some time. As the process completes, the system may beep and restart several times. This is normal. When the progress bar fills up fully, a message will show that the flash is complete. You must now press the X button to close. You will then be instructed to turn off the ignition as a 30-second countdown runs, allowing the ECU to reset. Wait for the countdown to complete. Once the countdown is complete, the device will return to the Tune Tool page. This indicates that the tuning process is complete. After this, disconnect the device, starting with the AutoCal side, and then carefully and slowly remove the wire from the OBD2 connector on the truck. You are all set. Ideally, you can now restart your truck and let it idle for a bit to confirm no warning or check engine lights are thrown. Then you can take the truck out for a test drive to experience your new off-road tune. Thank you for choosing Black Bandit for your diesel performance needs.